then me have to return.
Happy come back, happy come back. Bad girl, I make her happy come back. Happy come back, happy come back. Bad girl, I make her happy come back.
Happy come back, happy come back. Yalla, okay, make me happy come back. Happy come back, happy come back. Yalla, okay, make me happy come.
That was our intro video for this week's episode of Predis Comeback. Cecile featuring Kiprich. Welcome to another week of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week we're on Constant Spring Road. Stay tuned for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. After 14 years, the weekly dancehall party Weddy Weddy continues to draw a large crowd. We stopped by recently, so check out the highlights.
In your tonight, one night party bar for your time. When you get a stand something in your man like that. A year time. The man never gets young too. See Jack.
It's all you turning me on. Figure, hands up on my fingers on.
No one, why so many wanna take my time? Too hot, too dope, so like that pink.
Big up her attendance.
Mother, try.
Don't do it.
They didn't know they showed them as the people from Jamaica.
They win the table.
What about that juggling there?
What's it do?
If you're not in long, you're serious, you're not going to bite you.
No, living on the clothes fitting glass. Your shoes were cheap like.
Me a boy from the Babylon met the highest grade. Let me tell you this, but this no way about fierce. Some boy can't come. When you get up and say no man in their life, they can't take care of you. They can't please the boy. Watch how we are. Branch it out, I'm gonna branch up.
Naked fashion. Naked fashion pool party. Naked fashion. It's a 12 to 12 event. Naked fashion. It's a keep at Olympia Crown. Ladies drink free before ear. Girl, who are you rolling with? 600 pre-sold. CD Fantasy and Escobar. 800 at the gate. DJ Smurf and Super Hype. 1000 after 8. Sunday, July 8th. Naked fashion. The party, yeah, I go hype. Naked fashion. Pool party. 600 pre-sold. 800 at the gate. 1000 after 8. Ticket outlet. Eyeglass Factory. Clock Tower Plaza.
Don't know the most anticipated event, you know. Naked fashion pool party, 12 to 12 event at Olympia Crown Hotel. You understand what I say? Whole heap of hot girls, you see what I say? Whole heap of British are flying for the thing, you understand? So whole heap of money are spent, you understand? So everybody just turn out. Naked fashion, 12 to 12 pool party, it a go shot. You understand what I say? Sunday, July the 8th. Don't know a whole heap of bad sound. We have VJ Malik, you understand? We have Bishop Escobar, DJ Smurf. You understand? CD Fantasy. You understand what I say? DJ Flying and Tall Sleeve. A whole heap of sound I got there. You understand? Admission are only 600 pre-sold, 800 at the gate before 8 o'clock and 1000 after 8. You understand? And ladies drink free before 8. You understand? So everybody does turn out early. Naked Fashion, 12 to 12 pool party. Olympia Crown Hotel, Sunday, July the 8th. It'll go epic. You understand?
Now we're on to our first commercial break, and when we get back, it's all about the talent on the rise and the music video premiere of the week.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Naked Fashion. Naked Fashion Pool Party. Naked Fashion. It's a 12 to 12 event. Naked Fashion. It's a keep at Olympia Crown. Ladies drink free before ear. Girl, who are you rolling with? 600 pre-sold. CD Fantasy and Escobar. 800 at the gate. DJ Smurf and Super Hype. 1,000 after 8. Sunday, July 8th. Naked Fashion. The party, I go hype. Naked Fashion. Pool party. 600 pre-sold. 800 at the gate. 1,000 after 8. Ticket outlet. Eyeglass Factory. Clock Tower Plaza.
Come savor the island flavor at Patio Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Enjoy finger-licking Caribbean cuisine, culinary demonstrations, cultural performances, a kids zone, tons of giveaways, something for everyone. Performances by Elephant Man,
On the river, on the bank.
Good Celebrity,
You are walking trophy. You are walking.
Lust, West African sensation, Bato Ranking, New Kingston, Brata folk singers, and more. It's a celebration of food, music, and fun. The Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd, Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Noon to 8 p.m. Buy tickets online at jerkfestivalny.com. Sponsored by Tower Isle Parties, La Park and Shipping, the Jamaica Tourist Board, and VP Records.